Welcome to my channel. In the class 10 series 17 pairs of linear equations 9, we have the first one. Form the pair of linear equations for each of the following problem and find their solution by substitution method. First substitution is coach of the cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find out the cost of each bat and ball. And let x be the number of bats, y be ball. First equation is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. Next equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. From this, if you write 3x is equal to 1,750 minus 5y, x is equal to 1,750 minus 5y by 3. Now we will substitute this in this equation, that is 7 into 1,750 minus 5y by 3 is substituted for x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. If you multiply this, it becomes 12,250 minus 35y plus, if you cross multiply this, it becomes 18y. This becomes 11,400. Sorry, it is 3,800. 3,800 into 3 is 11,400. Now here it becomes minus 17y is equal to minus 12,250 minus 11,400 is equal to minus 850, or y is equal to 50. If you substitute y is equal to 50 here, it becomes 1,750 minus 50 into 5 is 250 by 3 is equal to 1,500 by 3 is equal to 500. So cost of a bat, x is equal to 500, cost of a ball is equal to 2 rupees. Next subdivision is the taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charge for a distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charges paid is 105 rupees, and the journey of 15 km charge paid is 155 rupees. What is the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay in traveling a distance of 25 km? Let x fixed charge, y charge per kilometer. First equation is x plus 10y is equal to 105. Second equation is x plus 15y is equal to 155. From the first equation, x can be written as 105 minus 10y, and we can substitute here 105 minus 10y plus 5y, 15y is equal to 155. If we take this 105 other side, 5y is equal to 50, y is equal to 10. If we substitute y is equal to 10 here, x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10 is equal to 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. Fixed charge is 5 and per kilometer charge is 10. Now he travels 25 km, that is x plus 25 y is equal to what? That is 5 plus 25 into 10 is equal to 255. So he has to pay a charge of 255 rupees to travel for a kilometer of 25 kilometers. Thank you very much. Hope you would have understood the solution to the problem. If you have any doubt, put it in the comment box. We'll come up with a doubt clearing video. In the next series, we'll continue with the further sums on the power. Thank you.